Hi, it's Jonathan from Equipmart, your online retailer for pressure washers, cleaning equipment, parts and accessories. Here we have a drain cleaning hose. This particular one has got the M22 male screw thread connection on it. So this is going to fit all your Karcher HD and HDS machines prior to 2017. So not the new Easy Lock concentric thread, but this is just a standard 22mm thread. On the other end of the hose, it's got a rotary drain cleaning nozzle. So there's three nozzles at the back of this brass spinning head. This brass section rotates, and there's three nozzles at the back here. You probably can't see, but they jet three streams of water in an angle out the back of the drain cleaning nozzle, and they'll basically come out almost like a corkscrew. And that ensures that it will reach the entirety of the inside of the drain. It's got a vigorous drain cleaning nozzle, this one. And this particular hose is highly flexible as well. It's rubber coated, reinforced braided high pressure hose, 1/4 of an inch in diameter. So it'll go down some quite narrow drains as well. And it's rated up to 180 bar at 60 degrees C for cold water use, and it comes in quite a few different lengths as well, so you can have it in 4 meters, 6, 8, 10, 15, 20, right up to 30 meters long. My advice would be to get a hose that's slightly longer than you think you need. You always need a little bit of length at the end of into the trigger gun as well to work with. And as I say, this one's got the M22 male screw thread connector on, and that's the rotary drain cleaning high pressure hose.